Okay, we've been seeing Rahul for the last 6 days. So he came to us with the left shoulder pain, left quads pain, and right back pain. Uh, so possibly due to his work, slouching, sitting, lot of sitting, so a lot of tightness around this region. So what we found is a lot of tightness in the muscles in the front, so the pecs and some rotator cuff, the supraspinatus. Behind we have something called as an infraspinatus. That muscle also was tight, and also the rhomboids longus was around this region, back, and some tightness in the left traps as well. Right side we found the quads, rectus femoris tight, some trigger points there, and also right side, left side, right side back we had some rectus spinae tightness. Apart from that, some stiffness in the joints as well, neck, upper back, thoracic spine, and lower back. So what we've been doing is a lot of soft tissue work, working on the joint muscles first to loosen it up, and also on the joints, thrusting them to loosen it up as well. So we'll continue the same today, and then we'll take it from there. Okay? கை இப்படி அடிச்சுக்கோங்களா? How is this? So that's the supraspinatus tendon. It's a bit tight and irritated here. Right, okay, sideways. So a little bit of tightness, trigger points in the trapezius as well, upper traps. She can come to side, so just show some. And you come to here. So some the infraspinatus, starting from the shoulder blade, coming to the so you can feel the nice trigger points in that region. It can radiate to the front also, yeah. Face down. And the erector spine as well. Right, so we're going to loosen up the upper back, neck, and the lower back. Side, which side is painful? Right, back. This is okay. we've seen you for 6 days.
For the past 6 days.
Okay, okay. Now, how is the pain as compared to first week?
Yeah, I mean, I'm paying for like past 2 months or so.
Mm.
I wasn't able to do workout properly, or I can't do the chest press especially.
Okay. And someone asked you to even go for surgery, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So now you're able to work out?
Yeah, like I wasn't able to do anything before, but now it's like 80% it's completely clear.
Okay. And the chest press?
Yeah, chest press is now, yeah, I can do this
Chest
easily.
press also. Good. How is the back is also?
Yeah, back's also fine.